papers, so they filed my papers. I did not.
Can you just let for the question? If I ask you today, because there's a statutory declaration which says you belong to Nazara.
I would not. My law. I know what my law is. मेरी एक बात सुनिए.
बात तो सुनने.
There's a reason why I'm interrupting with great respect.
No,
This is a matter before the courts. I would request my lord not to make any comment.
I'm not making please, it's not a comment, it's a question.
My lord.
The statute declaration which shows you as Nazarati, there's a certificate which you referred to which shows you as PTI, and now you're saying you are Sunni.
No, I'm not.
You may not respond to.
Now, can you just tell me which political party you belong to?
I do not want to respond to this question. I remain PTI because
You are not before us.
Yes,
You're not before us.
You are. You keep referring to yourself.
They filed my papers. I don't know why.
So
They filed my
you are
papers.
partyless. I mean, it's not a state secret.
But me-
It's a factual plea.
For me, the person Salman Akram Raja is not relevant. I will, with great respect, not answer that question at the moment.
We are asking you which political party you belong to. You don't want to answer.
But as far as Kamal Shazab is concerned, she is PTI and she will join SIC if SIC is allowed seats. I'm very grateful for
Raja
that
Sahab.
opportunity. I've done my duty,
Raja
but
Sahab.
I've placed my points before the court. Now it's for the court
Raja
to
Sahab.
decide.
आपसे भी सच नहीं बोला जा रहा.
सच बिल्कुल बोला जा रहा है.
2018 में PMLN के साथ वही हो रहा था जो आज PTI के साथ हो रहा है. And nobody speaks the truth. This is something known to everyone.
Sir, I've written
And that
it.
is how constitution should be interpreted to uphold the democratic principles and the structure, and particularly the rights of those voters who have been wronged.
CMA 5913 states all of that. I urge the court to read my CMA 5913 on behalf of PTI. We've explained what we were facing.
Concluded or anything left?
I'm very grateful for that opportunity.
Everyone concluded? Yes. Chal. Reserve. ठीक. इसमें लिखिए. हाँ? हाँ?
इन्होंने
अच्छा ठीक है रिजर्व है बस रिजर्व ही लिखना है एक ही लफ्ज चल एक ही लिखना है चल कंक्लूड कौन से लिखेंगे It will be a long order. Anyways, we haven't discussed, so we can't say anything. It will be reserved.
Very kind, very grateful to all your lordships
you.
and to your ladyship. Thank you, sir.